Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a quick and easy slick back ponytail tutorial. This is a very easy method. It takes less than 5 minutes to achieve this, and it works both on natural hair and relaxed hair. So if that is what you're looking to watch, just keep watching. We're going to dive into the video right now, but before we do so, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please support me by hitting on the subscribe button. Thank you.
My hair was relaxed 3 weeks ago, so what I will regularly do is to just add a little bit of water, rub it through my hand and rub it on the hair. So when I'm done rubbing the water through my hair, I just brush it with this brush. So if you can get this kind of brush, that will really be very helpful, especially if you're making a ponytail on a natural head. This will help so much. So I brush it first. You're brushing, it depends on where you want the ponytail to be. If you want it to be at the back, you just knot it, move it backward. But if you want it to be at the top, just put it at the top area this way. So it depends on your preference if you want a back ponytail or a high ponytail. I would normally use this band, wrap it through my hands, and then what I'm doing is trying to put it on the area I want the ponytail to be. I don't want it to be up here. I want it to be a little bit backward, but not at the very back. So I think I've gotten what I want. Then I start to wrap it. Now this is what your ponytail is going to look like. I've wrapped it. This is where I want it to be. I've wrapped it there. So the next thing I'm going to do is to apply my gel. And I love using this wax. If you watch when I was having my natural hair, I spoke a lot about this wax. It's very nice, especially for natural hair. It will lay your ponytail very well. So what I like to do with this, because it's very thick, so what I do, I rub water on my hand before even applying it. So I dab my hand in the water just to make sure it's wet, and then I take some of this. See how little I'm taking. I rub it through my hand. You know, with the other gel, it's very light, but because this is a wax, it's thick. So I rub it through my hand like this, and then it goes onto my hair. You see how that looks? So if your hair is unrelaxed hair, like a 4C hair, you might need to put the gel more than once. I just did mine once and it's laying flat because my hair is relaxed. So you might need to put it more than once just to make sure it's properly relaxed. To bring out some hair, this is my favorite part. Gentle clouds in pastel skies. On both sides, so I just bring out some hair on both sides. Just take a little bit of the wax and put it there. You can either use a comb like this to bring out this hair at the edges, or you use this. Most of the time when I'm in a hurry, because it's actually Sunday morning, I'm getting ready to go to church. So most of the time when I'm in a hurry to get this done, I just stick on this one. I use this, and all I need to do brush it downward, and then take it that way. You see that? So that's how it's going to look. I really like the edges. So this is what my edges is looking like. Very beautiful. So take a little bit of the wax. This edges, sometimes you don't have enough gel to lay it down. You just put it just to make sure it's not raising up after some time. Put it on both sides. And then I like to put some expression here. Sometimes try not to make sure the gel gets to your face. You don't put it at the edges, so that's the reason why I'm putting some here. This is how my edges is looking now. So when I'm done with all this, I just tie the front down. Because my hair is relaxed, this area is not going to come up. But if it's a natural hair, I advise you tie a big hair tie round all over your hair. If you understand what I'm saying, just use a big hair tie to tie all over your hair. But because mine is relaxed, I'm just going to tie the edges. So this is what I normally use to tie my edges. I just put it this way. If you're using this method on the natural hair, make sure this edges is tied as well. Once it's tied down like this, then you can go ahead and apply your makeup. And by the time you're done with your makeup, the edges would have been properly laid down.
Just pay attention to how nicely laid my hair actually looks. So if you need a sleek ponytail, this is the easiest way to do it. The extension we'll be using is 100% human hair, and this is 14 inches long. I'll be leaving our Instagram handle on the description section. Don't hesitate to check. And it came with a strap, and it also came with a comb. So you can see that thick thing on the strap. I'm going to tell you what you're going to do with that in a minute. So firstly, what you're going to do, that comb area, you clip it on your hair, just like I'm doing right now. Clip it on your hair. And when you clip it, take that strap, the long elastic strap, wrap it around the hair for a more secure installation. Then when you wrap it around the hair, when you've exhausted the elastic strap, when it gets to the back, the last one, you just use it to hook the adjustable strap. There is one thick rubber thing at the back that I just showed you guys previously. That's what you hook it on, and you can actually carry it for weeks. It will not unravel. So this is the easiest way to like install a ponytail extension on your ponytail hair. You can see that the ponytail is very slick down, and the volume is big. You can see how big the volume of the extension is. If you want it to be more voluminous, you can actually comb it out, and it becomes even more bigger. So the extension is very good. I will always say that, why do you need to? Let me pause first. What do you think about my outfit for church today? Does it look good? Do you like it? Leave it in the comment section below. So like I will always say, why do you have to use a synthetic extension when you can buy a human hair that will last you for a lifetime? So I always prefer people to go with a human hair instead of a synthetic extension. That's where this ponytail extension came in. So guys, if you've watched this extent and you've not subscribed, please do me a favor by hitting on the subscribe button, press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And this is a great protective style you can actually slay anytime, any day. Thank you so much guys for watching.